morning, everyone. Pwede siguro mo ikot kita as-asa ba yun? Mabuti na sa oras. Joke lang, ito pa kita. Alright, so once again, good morning. I'm honored to be here today. By the way, my name is Kurt Roldan, and I'm an entrepreneur. But here I'm going to share my story, where I started. Technically and English. Alright. So, long story short, tahan niya, kailangan ay lunch. Alright? So, my journey from SAHS to become a CEO. Gaano kami yun, no? Anyway, next slide please. But before I'm going to share my story, I just want to say thank you to our school principal, Lourdes G. Flores, School Division Superintendent, Ma'am Mario Lutumo, and also for my advisors from first year high school, fourth year high school. Ako isa-isa ko, no? Sa nakalimutan ko sa iba. Sorry para dyan, ma'am. First year class advisor, Dr. Filipina F. Pinay. No? Second year class advisor, Gina B. Uboy. Third year class advisor, Dr. Joji Oponales. Fourth year class advisor, Rufina M. Rensha. And some of my mentors who are still here. Rahul here, sir. My idol, your teacher, Dr. V. L. Perigo, Ma'am. Mary Nancy Cortez, Sherilyn Roldan, and also Ma'am Janet Casanya. So, without you guys, I'm sure I'm not here, no? So, thank you so much for guiding me in my career sa high school, no? Next slide, please. Okay. 17 years ago, parehas ako sa inyo. Diyan ako, nagpasos ako, itihari ka rin namin. Murag. Itihari ka namin sa pit. Basta 17 years ago, Lolo, I sat there too, para sa inyo man. And anyhow, kaya nagtanda ako sa inyo, nakita na ako ang kalingon. No? And, but that time, grabe, for me, I don't have any future para sa ako, honestly, kaya I don't know, kung sa college, I'm afraid na maka-classmates ng iba. No, I don't know mga sinabi kami. Fear of new school, fear of new opportunities, fear of new possibilities. No? So, lots of matagpati na tayo after graduation. Balik sa please. But I had a big dream, no? I don't know kung sa dream, but I'm sure I'm going to be a successful person one day. But I don't have any clear direction, no? Sa akong fourth year, or sa akong high school life. Next slide, please. But ako magandang parents, gusto magandang nila na mag-nurse ko. So after sa akong high school, mag-graduate lang ako ng fourth year. Grabe, nag-summer class pa gano'n ako sa college. May gusto nila advance daw. So, nag-nursing ko advance sa St. Paul. Pero lang sa ako naman, hindi nilagyan mo. Sige, nilagyan natin sa sila. Hindi mo pa-advance on 3 days ako sa St. Paul. Tapos, ni-stop ako. No? Kaya kung wala yung kalawin after of new friends, opportunities, possibilities, and new places. Moto, lang ko sa inyo, okay, balik sa ako sa set, pero ako yung hindi gusto na mag-nursing. With love and respect to my parents, I graduated sa nursing, but honestly, I didn't want to become a nurse, no? I just followed my parents' dream. I love sila sa ako. Di ba ako naman dyan ako? Kinsa may nakakikita anyone na ako dyan kaya ako gusto maging in college and in the future. the thing. The only thing they know how to make money is to go abroad. Right? And I didn't want that to happen to myself. My parents, colleagues, friends, abroad na gano'n dyan. No? Hindi lang gusto mo para sa ila. Kaya no, makita ka dyan din sa Pilipinas or even sa Surigao. That's very possible. So I look for a way how to make money online. Next slide, please. That was me sitting there, starting and looking for a way how to make money online as a freelancer without $11. So if you are familiar with virtual assistants, parang online jobs, sa computer, mo dyan ako i-susunod before ako nag-graduate. And kaluwisan nila ako, nakahanap ko ng opportunity. Next slide, please. Muna na ako ng room, di ako nagtulong everyday, di ako nagtrabaho everyday, third year college, hindi malagang gusto mo abroad. No? So, and by the way, I never take any licensure examination kay I'm sure kung magtingin ako ng examination, makapasa rin ako. And hindi lang ako gusto mo abroad. So, never ako nag-exam. What's all this settings? Okay, nauna ako dito, napalit na. The reason why I have multiple computers, kaya ako yung mga clients abroad after year college. Way back 2011. Next slide, please. But today, also question yung namin nakataas sa YouTube. So today, next slide please. I own multiple businesses in Surigao. I have 100 plus staff working for me on a daily basis. And we are running businesses abroad sa online computer. So I have staff in the United States, California, Australia, Canada, Manila. Dapat may office sa Barangay Rizal. So mga and next slide please. I speak at international conferences like in Vietnam, Bali, Indonesia, India, Thailand. Last week I was in Manila speaking at conference in Hapon. So that was me. Next slide please. Alright, so for me everything that we've accomplished is useless if we are not empowering other people. Like this one, so every year, every anniversary naman, we are doing an outreach program. So kanang diverse people last 2 years ago, I believe. Next slide please. Okay, that was February, I believe. Mga anniversary naman. Nagmamanuwa in Surigao naman. Next slide please. Title model, remember pa intro. So, grabe na ako story doon. Nilaunod sa ako na siguro wala ko na future imagine ang trabaho is online, swipe friendly, mag-internet, and everything. Nagmapapagal na naman. So, alam ko ba yan future? But, thank God, nawaya ko sa ako kalilang kadali. Kaya, future yung Surigao, di ba? Wala siya. And, nahanap na ako kung calling magkatulang sa buwan. Instead of doing nothing, that time, we have a lot of people here in Surigao. I guess, 10 barangay, there is Surigao, I think sa tabon na naman nagawa. So we distributed our banks, kung isa ako sa naman. So thank you, may nalaman an opportunity to have next slide please. Our birthday, we always celebrated in orphanage, and also children orphanage. Next slide. Community school, government school, next slide. Blood lending activity, February, so tree planting, giving back to our nature, next slide. Alright. So the reason why I'm sharing that to you guys is for you to inspire. Okay? I started from so for me, familiar ako sa story ng David and Goliath. So ano you are David, Goliath is your future, your opportunities, your fears, your college life, your after college life. But everyone of you here has a strength, dedication, power, overcome the future. So ano daw i-achieve together? Where you can go. Some of you here continue to study, some of you here magtrabaho, let's magtrabaho, some of you here walang nakawalo, nasa sa single, no? But for me, success really is not perfect, no? It's not perfect, but kung sa hindi mo na daily basis, siya kita kasingot. And consistency natin gawin mo. Yes, right. Lessons after high school. Grades don't define you, your habits do. So, sa una, I'm not sure kung na-honor ba ako, pero kaya siguro ng ako grades, kamay, behind you sa una. Sorry, ma'am. Nakasaya ko sa una. But I'm not saying that's good, no? But you need to improve, no? You need to have a habit. Kaya even though mga habit is, that's the reason why wala kita improve. Kaya na habit is dili managawa. That's also the reason why we makita din kung why I'm not successful right now. Why I have a problem with my family. No, why I have this, why wala ko yung habits because nanawa na yung habits every day. Kaya kung sa man ka mo, diba? Why yung biyahe naman nagtuon pa ako? Diba? So, apply sa sarana na dyan sa room. So, we need to have habits. Like the habits every single day, I wake up at 5 a.m. Mag-meditation ako for 1 hour. I need to build my spirituality as well and build me. So, personal growth is very important to me. 5 a.m. I wake up. And then 6 p.m. nag-jump down or nag-walking. 7 p.m. I listen to podcasts. You can start with Mind Value for 1 hour. And after that, kiss my kids. And then say goodbye to school. And then meeting with my staff, with my team. Afternoon, meeting with my clients meeting. And 5 p.m. I'm done. No? Tapos na ko, going back to my family and talk to them. So, what's our daily habits? So, how about you guys? After school, sa liga, no? So, tingnan mo ito sa akin in the future, okay? You don't need to rush the start. One of the problems ko na nakikita ko is they need to become perfect before they start something, diba? Like, for example, siguro familiar na with before ako mag-gym, magpalit namin ko ng things like immense, no? Like, napanay ko ng pincel, complete gear, before ako mag-gym. So, kaya may mga nakasagawa ng sa kabuyan, no? Before ako mag-gym. So, that's the problem. Doon yun ay ng success, no? How about sa start, isang kuya kayo mo? Just ang goal naman nila is start, no? Just start. Take your years, a lot of opportunity na hindi encounter. Stay humble, stay happy. Never forget where you came from. We used to spend time with you. Importante sa sige, values naman mo. Before, curious na ako sa mga friends sa college kayo. Ako sa college wala akong inom, pero sa college inom na ako sa mga friends. At I share ako mga friends surrounding na ako kita sa iban are they fit for me, are they good for me na makatabang sa future. It really why friends mo sa isa. No? So ako advice, you need to have friends. Number one is health. Health, no? Minsan ko sa people na fit sa physical gym, sumusabay ako sa ila. Second, business-minded, no, or lawyer, finances, no, jauh na mga tao kung ikaw din na the rest, hindi mo lang sa iyong jauh na. You have the failure. So in the future, kaya mo mga failures sa ato
yes, that's very true.
May bad, no? But just continue to do it.
Those failures are...
Kailangan kami nila sa jobs, no? Mga billionaire, no? Ang reason na sila billionaire is biblical na lahat. Kung sa ako ang failure, magkasusap ako sa inyong success, di ba? May never become a successful person if hindi ka gusto sa failure or may mga interest. No? Expenses. And you also need to know your why. Before, college ako, Kaya I didn't have any purpose, I didn't have any reason, I didn't have any why. And from there, sa kusapin sa inyo kay kuhaan pa ba, lingkod mo araw. So if you become successful soon, and na-notice ninyo, kung rin man ako fulfill, jawan may tanang kwarta, jawan may tanang ili, jawan may tanang jawan, you need to understand or you need to know your why. What's your purpose? What's your reason? Why you are doing this? Why you are in front of me right now? Maybe you want to travel abroad. Maybe you want to have 1 million in your bank account. Diba? You need to know your why. Because naku dyan siya na fuel sa ako para hindi mo na ito ang day-to-day natin na rin mo. No? Kung kako yung ita, why? But move forward after that. No? So my message to you guys, you won't have all the answers right away, but if you keep showing up, you'll figure it out. Isa ko din sa ako na learn, no? Sometimes ako mag-working ko, kailangan ako dito sa ako ng mga deals na nakaka-imagine na murag grabe na ako magaway sa mga deals, sa mga opportunities na sometimes ako ay mahal ako, hindi na ako kaya, siguro mapili ako, hindi ako kaya hindi. But sa ako masosin siya, just show up. No? Show up ako agad. Ay, once na show up ako, nagkaraw din, kaya lang magdadyan, nagkaraw din. So naguna lang agad. If you're broke, just show up. If you're depressed, just show up. If kapoy ka, show up. Kung sa inyo na bago niya, just show up. More than happy to advise. No? Every day, show up. Remember, this is not like it's built day by day, big and small wins. And yeah, whether you become a doctor, a lawyer, dentist, an engineer, no, don't forget your past, guys. Alright? So you come here not a guest anymore, but also a builder of your future. No? And yeah, your future starts today. So good luck. Break a leg. Now fail forward. Take a rest. And I believe you. And so do you. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Inspiration to our graduates. At this moment, we would like to take this opportunity to present this plaque of appreciation and token to our guest speaker. May we request Dr. Lourdes G. Flores to be assisted by Attorney Chan Benedict Entrada to hand over the token and plaque of appreciation. Let me read the citation. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Taraha Administrative Region, Division of Surigao City, District A. Surigao City National High School, Barangay San Juan, Surigao City, awards this plaque of appreciation to Mr. Herb Roda, Most Outstanding Alumni Awardee, Alumnus Batch 2008, in grateful acknowledgement with distinguished role as guest speaker. During the day, Senior High School graduation of Surigao City National High School with the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas, Generation of Unity, Partners to the New Philippines, thereby contributing immeasurable success to the occasion. Given this 14th day of April 2025 at St. Paul University Gymnasium, St. Paul University Surigao, Kilang Barangay Luna, Surigao City. Signed, Lourdes G. Flores, Head Principal 4.